Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com, and it's house renovation time. So come on in, let's fix her up. Today I'd like to show you what tools I use during a house renovation. And first thing I do is I have a little pouch here. And this is just a small, lightweight pouch. It kind of has the essentials on it. It's just a simple deal where it clips on your belt. So I just have a 16-foot Fat Max tape on there. It's a smaller tape, but it's quality. And I got a little razor knife right here. It's made by Olfa. It's lightweight, it's small, it's sharp. It's really a nice knife. I have Phillips number 2 and straight slot screwdrivers. These are made by Ideal. They're heavy duty, made in USA. They're real nice. And this is a 7-inch Cobra pliers made by Knipex. And those are real fast and easy to use. Multi-purpose pliers, and I got a Sharpie, and then there's a place right here for your pencil. And this is real handy, you know, during a house renovation. You always got your essential tools on you. It's not too heavy. So let's get on to the electrician's tote. Okay, this is made by Veto. This is, like, in my opinion, the best tote in the world. It's expensive. They're not going to give it away, okay? It's leather all the way around here. It's got a really nice grip. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's great. And this is the Veto Tech OTMC. Okay, now first let me show you this middle area right here. I put my meters in here. It's like a protected area. And right here I have my Fluke electrician's meter. This is the 117, and I got a nice padded case for it. Okay, here's the meter, and I have, these are alligator clips. These are extra, these alligator clips, but they're really nice. They just slip on and off. Okay, so moving right along, this is the Ideal circuit breaker finder, and this is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. You've probably seen me use this in many videos, and this is a really good outlet tester as well. You see, it's got a whole index right here that shows you what's going on with the outlet, and this finds a circuit breaker for you. If you plug this into any receptacle in the circuit, you can go to the main panel and find it with this. Okay, so this is also a non-contact voltage sensor. All right, so next here I have, in my hard area, I have the Ideal SureTest circuit analyzer. And this is the lead. See, it's got leads here. You plug in, and you plug this into an outlet, and you test it. You do a lot of different tests with this. And I also have another lead here. You plug this in like that, and then you just hook this up to wires. You know, so this is for just plugging into a receptacle, and this right here is for plugging into just wires. And you can, just like it says, you can analyze the circuit with this, or analyze the box that you're working in and the wires that are in it. So that's real handy, especially I'm working on a 1960 house right now, and this has just been very, very valuable. Okay, this is my Weehaw. They call this a Xeno number 2 driver. So this is a Leviton 20 amp receptacle, and this goes right in there like that. You get really good torque. Okay, this is my Weehaw 1000 volt insulated multi-tool. This is my Knipex Cobra pliers in a little bigger size, and these are my Knipex 8-inch needle nose pliers. They're 1000 volt insulated. Okay, this is my Milwaukee 1000 volt insulated straight slot. It's 10 inches long. Okay, here we got some electrician's tape, and this was invented by my friend Warren Tarbell. It's a pusher. You push your electrical wires into the back of the box with it, and it's really quite, I'm kind of addicted to it now. And especially for the deeper boxes, you get bigger receptacles now. Like this is a nice 20-volt receptacle. They're a little bigger and they take up more room in the box. So I'm using deeper boxes, and this pushes your wires right into the back. Real handy. So I've got that right there. Got some electrician's tape. It's kind of put on top of that. Okay, here's a nice set. You know, I have a set of Klein, the Phillips and straight slot, and I have a set of Ideal, and they look just about identical. And I actually have one of each here right now. So you can really take your pick. They're both made in the USA. So this is my set of Phillips and straight slot 1,000 volt insulated screwdrivers. These are my 8-inch Knipex diagonal pliers, and notice, see, they're not straight, so that you can get flat on a surface and cut a screw or a nail or something flush with the surface. They're real nice. Okay, oh man, this tool, I love this tool. I just love these tools. They're not, unfortunately, they're not cheap. They're pretty expensive. This is the Knipex electrician's installation pliers, they call them. But working on an old house, a 1960 house, these cutters, these strippers are so sharp. You know, the old houses, sometimes the insulation gets just kind of melted to the wire. And it's hard to strip. It's not like stripping new wire. But these give you such good leverage, and they're so sharp, and get such good handles, and they're 1,000 volt insulated for safety. Plus, yeah, they're really good pliers. They got two plier deals going on here. You got this for round surfaces. You got this just for needle nose functions. Then you got the strippers. Then you got this bad cutter right here. And don't put your finger in there. It'll cut your finger right off. Nice. Okay, I got a couple smaller Klein screwdrivers. These are quality made in USA screwdrivers. There you go, right there in front. Okay, over here to the side, this is a real nice tool. This is a magnetizer and demagnetizer. You just go 1, 2, 3, and now you're magnetic. See? If you want to demagnetize it, you put it right through there. So I've got 2 voltage sensors. This is a Fluke 1 AC, and I use it all the time. It's from 50 to 1,000 volts AC. And so basically, it's just used for 120 volt AC boxes and circuits and wires. This one is low voltage, and it also has a flashlight. So this has a couple functions that this doesn't have. This is like the best in the world for what it does for 120 volt circuits. This is also low voltage, and it's got a flashlight. So I carry both of them. I've got a Milwaukee razor knife. This flips right open, flips shut. Now let's go over to this side right here. Here's the Klein electrical installation pliers. These are the Klein 6-inch needle nose. I use these a lot. I've got the DeWalt laser distance measurer. It's really good. Like, I just measured up for carpet, and I use this. It's really fast and effective. It's not too big. It's lightweight, and so it fits in right here. So that's great. This is a Klein tapping tool. It taps 6 different sizes, and they're all electrical sizes. So if you need to clean out some threads or enlarge some threads, this tool will do it. And it's a hand tool. It's pretty cool. All right, I've got Klein electrician's level. It's got super good magnets on there. They call them rare earth magnets. It's got 4 vials. You can attach it to your EMT if you're bending EMT. They're really good. Nice level. These are called Klein hybrid pliers, and they're good heavy-duty pliers. They're not linesman pliers, but they serve some of the functions of linesman pliers. They'll twist up to 3 wires. Here I have a bunch of wires set up, and I use these for pigtails. This is a little piece of Romex, and I've got the green, white, and black wires ready to go in case I need pigtails. Okay, so this side right here, well, This is wood putty. It's just, I need wood putty right now. Okay, and I'm back to square one here. This is my new DeWalt atomic impact driver and drill set. And this bag is cool because you can just put these right on the sides like that and just carry them around with you. So you got just a regular drill and the impact driver just right there. They're pretty lightweight and small, and they can go there if you need them. Or if you just need one of them, just carry one of them. But it's kind of a cool feature, isn't it? I mean, I like that. So there you go. That's my bag that I'm using right now. So I'm using a small lightweight pouch, and I'm using a medium-sized tote. You can work with it. You can find your tools easily. It's got a protected area right here for your meters, which I love. I mean, this is just perfect for electricians. I'll put links in my video description for all the tools seen in the video, such as the Veto Pro Pack Tech OTC tool tote, the Ideal circuit breaker finder set, the Ideal circuit analyzer, the Fluke electrician's meter, the Fluke voltage detector, the Knipex US electrical installation pliers, the Klein magnetizer and demagnetizer, and the new DeWalt atomic drill and driver set. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.